Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to align a text in WordPress site. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, then simply type in www.wordpress.com in the search bar, and once you do this you have to just simply come to the My Home option in the left hand side, and from here you have to just simply click on the Edit Site option, and once you click on the Edit Site it will simply take you to the test website like this. I have already opened up a test website and I have done it previously. Then what you need to do is simply choose a text that you would like to align. So let's say I would like to choose the first one, and here you can see we have already choose the first one like this. Then you have to click on the align button in the top navigation bar, and once you click on the align button, you will see the three options like this: align text left, align text center, align text right. So from here, let's say I would like to go for the align text center, and here you can see that the text is aligned to the center. So that's how you can easily align your text in WordPress site. You have to just simply select the part that you would like to align, and after that you have to simply follow the steps that I have showed you. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.